Ridge gets an easy day today. Beautiful day for it. He went out on Sunday to a new place to practice our tests. And then he had some pole work and some canter work on the lunge a couple days ago. So today he's getting a nice leisure trail ride out and about, more for his mental health and also just to give him a quiet day. He's definitely earned it. He's such a good boy. It's such a beautiful day for it. Can't beat blue skies, puffy clouds, and still being sunny. It's just lovely. So there's the scary trash can that we had to get over in one of my previous videos. We're able to, I think, walk up to it. Let's see. He's looking. We see some geese. Good boy. Good job. Good. Nice. You're looking at the geese more than the trash can. Here, can we look? Is it scary anymore? That's a boy. That's a good boy. Oh, and we touched it. Made a sound. That's a good boy. Nice job, buddy. See, it's not scary now because we worked on it. Okay, good job. Beautiful water down here today. Beautiful day out. Got geese there. See what he thinks of the water. That's a good boy. Shiny things can be a little scary to horses. Good boy. Oh, and we hear deer. Deer running. Spook them and the geese there. What do you think? There's a snake in the water. So cool. So much nature. So much nature around here today. So beautiful. It's a good boy.